Look, did you know that the Anarc SMARTWATCH sold a staggering 3CR on its first day? What could have driven such high demand? Introducing the Anarc SMARTWATCH, a game changer in the tech market. With its cutting-edge features and sleek design, it's no wonder this smartwatch is creating a buzz. Presentation of problem challenge. New tech products often struggle to gain market traction, especially in the competitive smartwatch sector. The challenge lies in standing out and offering something truly unique, exploration development. But the Anarc SMARTWATCH has managed to conquer this challenge. By listening to customer feedback and analyzing market trends, it offers a range of features and innovations that captivate tech enthusiasts. From its advanced health tracking capabilities to seamless connectivity with smartphones, this smartwatch delivers an unparalleled user experience. Climax our key moment. Imagine the excitement when the Anarc SMARTWATCH sold a remarkable 3CR on its very first day. This achievement not only showcases its popularity, but also raises the bar for future tech releases. The implications of this success are immense. Conclusion summary. To summarize, the Anarc SMARTWATCH's outstanding sales on day one prove its undeniable significance in the tech market. It serves as a testament to the demand for innovative smartwatches that integrate seamlessly into our lives. Call to action, CTA. What are your thoughts on the Anarc SMARTWATCH? Share your comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos. For more tech insights, stay tuned for the next big thing in the world of technology.